Welcome back to Benidorm town. Today we're heading right to the British street, and that is where, and general all over Benidorm town, there is Benidorm Pride celebration. There is parties and themed ones and foam party and pink one and white one like in summer. Plenty of parties and things are happening here in the area. So we'll see what the atmosphere is looking like, what the bars look like, your favorite places to grab some drinks and snacks. Here in the area, including Rincon de Lodge, the green door, and the red door, which is right in front of us. Two exactly the same places. I think just the decoration, what is green here is red there and vice versa. Thursday, different types of games and sports here will be retransmitted here, I suppose, on the television. People will be watching the games. Green door does actually work quite well. There's quite a lot of people here, and every weekend in the evening when we go here, we always see quite a lot of people, which means business is going good for these places. Red door is right in front of us. For some reason, it is also quite busy today, by the way. Ooh, yeah, there's quite a lot of people here. Usually not so much. Not sure what the reason is. People for some reason prefer the green one to the red one. Prices are more or less the same, so I don't get why such a big difference. But here the terrace, even though it's bigger, doesn't look as busy and promising as the previous place where we've just been. Same sports, exactly the same ones. Exactly same decorations, just red ones. All the nearby places like supermarkets, Chinese supermarkets, the places such as bazaars of different kind, the hairdressing salons, all of it is still available for you guys. Obviously, it is not as late as you think. The sun is still shining. It is, I think, five something probably by now. Even the indoor market is still open. How about that? At least the bars on the inside are. Some people are heading from the beach right now. Others just having a lovely walk down the city. Luckily to all of us, on midday it is still quite hot. It is 32 degrees. However, once we head towards evening time or morning, it is quite nice and fresh outside. Oh, could not be happier with this type of weather. So far, we didn't see any giant amounts of crowd out here. I suppose people are gathering in the bars that actually do have all these celebrations, like all these themed parties, and the bars will have flags on them too. Let's see if there's any here on the British street. If there's anything special, because we know on the Levante beach there's quite a few bars, quite famous ones by the way, that do have flags that are participants of the Benidorm Pride this year, 15th anniversary, and that will even be on the parade this weekend. But here, everything looks exactly the same. Some people not too busy, not crazy busy. A lot of people are still on the beach. That's the reason why as well. It is still very nice outside, so people have something else to do. You know, people are able to lay down on the sand, just watch the sea or the sunshine or the mountains, people passing by, having a walk by the beach. Others are enjoying some lovely cocktails here in the area. Actually, some good cocktails in these places. The Piccadilly and all the other nice places here. People like these places here on the British street, which means they give a very good service. If not, people would not be going to these places. Easy hire mobility scooters, quite a bit of them available here, which means that the peak season is officially over. You know it already by now, but you can tell by small things, you can actually tell when it is over.
Benidorm by Anna.
Benidorm by Anna.
All right.
See, for the shop. Fine.
We love Anna.
We watch it every night.
See?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
saludo for Anna.
Yeah.
Good day, eh?
Yeah,
Thank you
too.
so much.
Have
eh?
a good one.
Okay, thank you.
Our lovely subscribers. My husband usually sees quite a lot of you guys, and many people do actually say hi to us. They know already my husband, and a lot of the times he is filming some videos. Others we're together or me by myself, but for some reason whenever he is outside, he does see a lot of our subscribers and people who are watching our channel. So hello to all those who know us. Really glad, and hopefully you're having a lovely holiday here in the area. Some live music here at the Flash Hotel, and right on the most popular part of the British Street by the Morgan Tavern. Obviously, a lot of places here are still closed, and while it does show that it's not peak summer season any longer, look at this. Karaoke places here. People are grabbing some snacks, maybe some drinks, but it's almost empty. Almost totally empty. They have nice karaoke evenings here, by the way. The Waikiki beach does have some people, but once again, not so many. This is nothing compared to what it used to be. And honestly, I don't see that many people who are dressed with something special, or maybe some like fancy t-shirts or like colorful t-shirts, whole groups of people. Probably they're all by the beach, honestly. I feel like maybe are on the beach or trying to get their best tan before this Saturday. Police cars, as usually, are here on the British Street. That's something typical. That is something usual. We're used to it already. We've seen way more on the Levante beach. That was like the biggest amount we've seen ever. But here on the British Street, it is quite common to see them. I would wish to see them slightly more often, but I get that they cannot be everywhere at the same time. So yeah, it's either this or that. We cannot have both, right? Drinks and food, sports bar here. A couple of people grabbing some takeaway food, something to have some snacks before they head to the bars, to the local pubs. John and Joseph's love this place. I'm a huge fan, and it is busy even right now. Look at that. Very nice place. We've tried their food here. Extremely quick and efficient. That's what I gotta tell you. And when you see so many people, there is a reason why so many people are coming here.
Hello my friends, I hope everyone is fine, all good, the weather is good, people they are coming, and I hope when you are coming here, and I hope everyone is fine whenever you are coming here, always welcome to you.
Just mentioned we didn't see any fancy t-shirts, and there we go, some fancy t-shirts. Some celebration t-shirts. I wonder if these are actually faces like of people they know, or if they just purchased it like this. I think they do actually get personalized t-shirts. Wow. This was the Wild Duck, a very nice bar slash pub. Always very friendly staff. At least every time that we pass, really friendly, always letting us show the place. And it is getting quite popular, honestly, amongst different types of generations. It's like universal place to go to have some drinks. There's a lot of nice live music, as you could have seen, and definitely would be a place to visit. Hotel Ambassador Playa 2 and the building number 1. Both of these places really popular as well for tourists. The Western Saloon here, we know this place quite well. We know people who work here, and it is a very popular place to be. Bucket deals, different types of cocktails and drinks for a reasonable price. Live music non-stop. It's just a great place to be. It's a great place to be. That's what it is. They have plenty of entertainment up until late night hours, and people are fans. It is a healthy place to be. It is a very healthy place to be. See, it's nice. It's just nice to be here. People know it. People love it, and people come here always. Poor bartenders have so much of work here. Hopefully they're paid nicely, honestly. Hope so. I suppose that's the case, but boy, they have a lot of work in this place. The Hotel California nearby, not as busy today, but also quite a bit of people on the terrace. Still, no special partying here on the British Street. I do know there's going to be parties in the other sides of the town for the Benidorm Pride, but here it's all usual, all typical, all lovely British Street, healthy evening entertainment. That is what it is. The nearby businesses as well, quite a bit of people, giant TV screens, typical everything open because there is a nice weather, honestly. Why not, right? If it's still hot outside, it's very nice. Why not to have all of this open? In winter, I think they do close it down. Live music, back again. Lovely atmosphere. Slightly further along, we have the Town nightclub, still closed, not ready just yet, is opening usually slightly later for all the entertainment. And right on the left side, we have the typical hotels such as the Orange Hotel. We have the Venus, Hotel Pueblo, the Avenue of Philippines with Gold Arcos, Hotel Presidente. So many places such as Brit Station, the Red Lion. All these places are here nearby, quite close to where we are located. The Royal Secret. Never knew what this place was all about. I love the flower decoration, by the way, honestly, but I never knew what it actually was. It looks like a innocent cafeteria for some tea time with all these decorations, but at the end it's like a place for cocktails, I think. So I'm not really sure what it is. Let us know if you've been here actually. Indian curry, pizza, burger place, kebab places, and we also have the Red Corner. Getting quite popular amongst different types of tourists and locals a lot of the times, international residents that are coming here to grab some drinks and snacks. They have full bucket deals here, individual cocktails, different types of drinks mostly. Obviously, it's not a restaurant as per se, but it is nice to sit down here on the terrace. It's slightly quieter. What are these toys? Oh my God, these sharks are sad. I get it, they're sad. They have feet on them. Who puts feet on the shark? And it's not the worst thing. We've seen some bizarre toys here in Benidorm lately. Not sure what it is. I don't get it. I think it's like a new fashion of these types of toys that it's like cactus legs, but it's an avocado or things like these. Very strange toys lately here in Benidorm. Don't get it. Let us know if you know what these actually are. I feel like we're getting old for these things and we don't know everything that's happening in the world because I have no idea what these are, but our kids apparently do. The Ribs place, very nice one. Like country ribs, very nice place to grab some snacks. British house. Oh, they've changed it. Oh, when did this happen? It's a British house now. It's not Uncle Ped's anymore. Was it always a British house? I don't think so. The Patty Bros here and the Uncle Pets. Uncle Pets just left with this side. And the Patty Bros are nearby. But then we have British house. That is very strange. I feel like it's definitely a change. Here's slightly more people at the Uncle Pets. Obviously, it's one of the most popular places to be here. Right next to the British Street. Always a good service, great prices. People love this place for some reason. Let us know if you are a fan and if you're a client of Uncle Pets. Why do you choose this place to grab some drinks? Riviera Hotel. Not too many people on the terrace, honestly. Not so much. Riviera Beach. And right nearby we have Explorers Club from the Ambassador Playa. Also not as busy. So overall, it's not as overcrowded as we feel like. But I do think that people are in the Benidorm Pride parties and people are still on the beach enjoying last rays of sunshine. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. We'll see you tomorrow with a brand new one. Stay tuned for Benidorm news and some more informative videos here on the channel Benidorm by Anna.